everyone? Fun Up Guy here once again. So I'm doing another food review today. So it's gonna be on chips that I've not had in a long time, and it's these Fritos Chili Cheese corn chips. That's right. So I do like Fritos. I prefer Doritos over Fritos, but I still like them. I've always been a fan of the honey barbecue Fritos. Those ones are amazing. Yeah, I've had these before, and I've only reviewed them like once. So yeah. So it says when hunger strikes, you want something that's going to hold you over and keep you satisfied. At times like these, you need the classic corn taste of Fritos brand chili cheese flavored corn chips. So yeah, now let's see this made by Frito-Lay Company, Plano, Texas. So yeah. Already I can actually smell kind of like chili cheese a little bit. Yeah. So here's one. It looks just like a regular Frito, but with the stuff on it. Yeah. So here we go. And look at this, these ones stuck together. Pretty good. Yeah, I feel like the chili flavor's kind of weird. The cheese flavor is good though. Yeah. And these are good, but not as good as the barbecue ones. So, rating this is gonna get a 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. I would recommend it. So thank you much for watching. It's pretty much wraps it up. So, bye.